CES, which bills itself as the most powerful tech event in the world, is underway in Las Vegas. One NYSE-listed company, Oshkosh, was recognized for its tech leadership, winning the CES 2026 Best of Innovation Award in the robotics and travel and tourism categories. It was also named an honoree in the construction and industrial tech groups. Well, John Pfeiffer, Oshkosh's CEO and president, joins me now with more. John, welcome to the show. Great to see you out there in Las Vegas, and congratulations on these awards.
Yeah, thank you, Kristen. Delighted to be with you this morning.
Wonderful to have you, and give us a sense as to what you're showcasing at this year's CES show.
Yeah, well, sure. Let me start by just kind of orienting everybody about what we do. You know, we're a company that makes heavy-duty vehicles and equipment, but essentially what we are is we serve people and make a difference in the lives of people in our communities. And you see our equipment throughout every community that we all live and work in, and we serve people to deliver them to deliver those everyday heroes to do that tough work with safety and productivity. And we're a technology company as much as we're an industrial company. So we go to work applying autonomous technology, applying AI, applying electrification where it makes sense to help people that are doing the toughest work in our communities to get the job done safer and more efficiently with every day that goes by. So you see a lot of autonomy in our booth. You see a lot of AI in our booth. You see some electrification where electrification makes sense to get jobs done. That's really what we're showcasing at the show.
And investors, John, are buying the story. Your stock was up 6% yesterday, reaching a new all-time high. I see it fractionally up in early trade on Wednesday morning as well. How is this technology advancing in 2026?
Well, we think technology is everything. You know, when all of us hear about data centers, and more data centers because of the advancement in AI, the latest and greatest NVIDIA chips, and that's all really good stuff. What we show and what we do is we take that AI into the physical world, and we show how we're using AI to make airports more efficient with aircraft turns. We show how we're taking it into construction and job sites to help connect and use analytics on job sites to make them more productive, more efficient. So we're really taking that AI that we all hear about, and we're bringing it into our communities where it's becoming better for people to get work done and better for all of us who live in all these communities to see it happen more efficiently, more safely than ever before.
Talk to me more about what is happening on the show floor and how you're connecting with clients and consumers at this year's event.
So we've got several exhibits on the show floor. We show, for example, you can see in some of the animation that's happening right now, how we take the aircraft turn at a gate. You know, we all know every day there's thousands and thousands of airplanes that come into gates, and everybody, the airline and all of us passengers, want those airplanes to come in and out of those gates as efficiently and as on time as possible. So we're able to apply autonomous functionality to help augment the people that are doing tough work on the ground to get the work done more easily and more efficiently. We're also connecting hundreds of data points at every gate at the airport, which gives us all of the AI capability to understand and predict what's happening at the gate real time, so that a gate agent or somebody on the ground knows what they need to do to make sure that that aircraft stays on time, as opposed to getting delayed due to something that is unexpected happening.
How will
you can see these exhibits in our booth. You can see how they come to life, and so that's what we're showcasing at the show.
Our viewers are getting a great sense of this technology and your leadership in this space. John, as we showcase some of these visuals that you referenced earlier, how are these innovations going to benefit your business in 2026?
Well, innovation drives growth for us. And when we're able to continue to innovate for our customers, it drives growth for our company. It drives growth for our shareholders. But more important than that, it drives better outcomes for our customers and better outcomes for the actual people who are doing the work. So, I mean, that's really why it's important.
What does it mean to be honored by CES as a top innovator at this year's show?
You know, it's certainly a nice milestone. It's a nice kind of a signpost to say that, hey, we're doing some of the right things when we get honored with these awards. So we love getting awards from at CES and from the CTA. It's fantastic. The awards we really want to get is we want to get the awards from our customers showing that, hey, this is the right direction that we're taking. And we put a lot of focus on our customers, whether it's the big airlines or it's the many customers that we have in all these end markets. We focus on those people, and if they're happy, then that's the best award that we can get.
John Pfeiffer, Oshkosh's CEO and president, joining us live from Las Vegas as CES 2026 is underway. John, thanks again and congratulations.
Thank you, Kristen.